Expert 1. That's not good. Expert 1. If should get some sleep then.
I have no name. I have every name. You were built from my breath. You return to it now.
Expert 1. Expert 1. Where the hell am I?
Yasuka Gemini. Just W1. Y do the Kajma Jigo DZ.
Expert 1. I'm not falling for that.
It's in here, look, see, look, there's bodies everywhere, there's blood, there's bodies, I don't know what's going on. Do you know what's going on?
Okay, blood god.
Oh, my ultimate god, I thought you're living in a white space.
Oh no, I just came here to visit. What are you doing here?
Nothing much, just doing my job like usual.
Oh, alright.
Okay, everyone, listen up. Needed a plan to destroy that blood god, and that white Native American bitch with that ball sack hanging. But until we didn't know Ultimate God had two minions. One is a woman, one is a fucking clanker. We call them Sun God and Mr. Clanker. Everyone with me to destroy these fat little dim-witted cunts.
Yes,
Totally
sir.
agreed.
Okay, let's go outside and defeat these two fuckers hanging penis infection shit fucks.
Alright, blood god appear, you fucking dim-witted fuck.
Shut the fuck up, cock and ballsack.
Oh my god, that's the worst ever insult since 2000 BC.
At least I have a friend.
Shut the fuck up, blood vessel bitch.
Her tank is weaker than my ball sack.
No one cares, box guy.
Gen tank more like 2050 AI tank.
Cute military base right here, idiot.
Shut the fuck up, toddler.
You think scares are going to help?
At least I don't look like a mutated woman.
Oh, you little bitch.
The button isn't working.
Try something then.
How about the co-nuke?
How the tickle front penis is gonna work.
You'll see puppet.
Okay, now if this doesn't work, I will strangle you so hard that your teeth turn to bullets.
It will work this fucking carbon dioxide. Fucking mercury.
You're next!
Bro's stealing Epstein files.
Yeah.
Is that a fucking fetus?
LOL.
Little bro is running away. I feel bro's breath.
Me too, bro. Oh damn.
On the edge
Yeah,
of the
feel
tide, where
bad
the
for
sea
that
meets
guy.
the sand,
Hello, what
war
the
has
hell are
come
you
to the
looking at?
shells.
It's just
Two
a hermit
clans,
crab war.
one of rusted amber, one of tempered blue, clash for the right to call this rock their home. Claws clatter like distant drums, spears of bone and driftwood spark.
Where the fuck am I?
First of all, shut the fuck up. You're the fake ultimate god, so I needed to upgrade you. The real one is with its minions.
The sun god isn't real. She is just a hallucination. I'm the real one. You can't escape the infection. The Russians are dead now. You can't escape the infection. You can't escape the infection. 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 The infection.